Supper Wednesday, let's get cooking. From skillet to plate, just take a look in. So grab your boots and come our way. It's What's for Supper Wednesday.
Hello folks, welcome back. It's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week what we're going to be doing, we're going to be having fried shrimp. Now usually we'll steam these shrimp here when we buy them in the store like this with the shell, but today we're going to peel them and deep fry them. Alrighty, there's our pile of shrimp. We thawed them out. Now we're going to remove the shell off of them. But first we're going to we got some milk, just enough to be able to cover up your shrimp. And then we're going to put in a tablespoon, well I'm using a teaspoon, but 3 teaspoons, which is a tablespoon, into your milk. Mix that up and we'll set them in there. Once we get them all peeled, place it back in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, and that'll help absorb up the Old Bay seasoning into the shrimp. Alrighty, let's start getting them things peeled, Doug. Now we went ahead and used 2 pounds. Now Daniel, he can't eat shrimp, but we've got a fish fry going on for him. I believe I've already showed you in there how we fix our fish. Now I'm going to go over here and start peeling these shrimp, and as I peel them I'll just place them down in the milk. Now folks, whatever seasoning you like. Now we'd always used Old Bay and everything, but now whatever seasoning you like with your shrimp, go right ahead. Like I always say, make it your own. And make sure to, if they're not already deveined, to devein them. That one there, I had to work on it just a little bit. And just make sure you get all the shell. That'd be bad, be a biting into it there and bite into a shell. Tell you what, let's speed this up a little bit. Alrighty, as we're finishing up there shelling these shrimp here, once we get them done, we'll show you a picture what they look like in the milk, and then we're going to place it in the refrigerator for around 10 minutes or so. Now we're going to go ahead and put our flour in here. I'm putting in 2 cups. Now this here is self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising, all-purpose will work also, folks. And you might like cornmeal on yours. Once again, whatever coating you like. This is what we went with, and I'm going to tell you, it turned out pretty darn good. And now we're going to put in there another tablespoon of Old Bay. Sometime here, Doug. There we go. Still got that teaspoon, don't you? And that there will also just help add to the flavor. And it's not real spicy, folks. A lot of people there, they like extra spicy stuff. Honestly, me and Carolyn just can't handle it anymore. Now we're just blending that together. And then what we'll do, we'll get the shrimp back out, drop them down in it. There you can see. Just cover them up real good, make sure they're coated good. I've got the oil already preheated to 375 degrees. And we cooked them for roughly 3 minutes. Now these was medium-sized shrimp. You just have to add accordingly to the size of your shrimp. These are what was on sale, is buy one get one. That's what we went with. Doing a fine job there, Doug. Keep it up. Now go wash them fingers. There, we got it in there cooking. And here's the final product there. You can see the shrimp, and we made hush puppies. We'll get Carolyn over here to let her give it a try here in just a second. Alrighty folks, we'll let Carolyn try it here. Daniel, we fixed him fish. He can't eat shrimp. And Carolyn can't eat fish.
Yum. Delicious.
Alrighty. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you soon. Thank you for watching. And folks, if you would, please keep Shelby in your prayers. She's going Friday morning for her surgery. And if you would, keep her and her family all in your prayers. I believe she's going Thursday for tests. Just if you would, please keep her. As far as that goes, pray for all of us, folks. We pray for you all every day. You're part of the family. And we sure do appreciate each and every one of y'all. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Take care. Lord willing, be seeing you soon.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.